Hello friends, I am Arun Gupta, working as a R&D engineer at Uma Electronics Enterprises. This video is regarding operation and features of our Smart Motor Testing Bench model SMTB-3A. This panel makes the testing of motors simpler, faster and organized. It is a computerized testing bench with measurement of all the electrical and physical parameters. Electrical parameters like voltage, current, wattage and power factor, and physical parameters like torque, RPM and the motor efficiency. Our software enables automatic report generation both in Excel and PDF format. The test report includes all the electrical and physical parameters, date and time, serial number and the nameplate ratings. Our software also has graph plotting facility which plot the graph speed versus torque, input versus output power, speed versus output power, input versus current versus output power and the power factor versus output power. It has three sections. This is main section, this is variac section and this is the metering section. In the main section we have computer screen. We have rotatory on-off switch for the main supply. These are indicating light for the mains and this one is the frequency meter. This is variac section. These are start and stop button for switching on and off the variac supply. These are indicating light for the variac. These are increase and decrease button for varying the voltage of variac. This is switch for buzzer for indicating the alert condition. This is the metering section. In this metering section we have DPMs, DTV-3 and DTA-3 for measuring the output voltage and current of each phase. This is integrated instrument AMTS-3 automatic motor testing system, which measures all the electrical and physical parameters. It has 4x4 keypad for operating the instrument. It has the SD memory card slot for saving the data in the memory card. It has USB port for interfacing this instrument with a PC. This is on-off switch for this instrument. It has two LCD display. One is for electrical, one is for showing the electrical parameter and another one, that is disc B, is for showing the physical parameters. This is disc A for displaying the electrical parameter. Right now it is system page showing the average voltage, the system power factor, the total VA apparent power, the total watt and the frequency and the average current. This one is VI page showing the voltage in each phase and the average voltage. This is showing the current in each phase and the average current. This is watt and PF page showing the watt in each phase and the total watt, and here it is showing the power factor in each phase and the system power factor. This is disc B for showing the physical parameter. Here it is showing the weight in kilogram. Here it is showing the torque in Newton meter. Here it is showing the N, that is RPM. Here it is showing the corrected RPM at 50 Hz. Here it is showing the output power. Here it is showing the input power. Here it is showing the motor efficiency. And here it is showing the slip. This is dynamo based motor testing arrangement. The unit under test is 1 HP rating 3-phase motor. This is proximity sensor for measuring the speed. Its pulse output is going to this RPM indicator, which is sending the data to the panel through the RS485 cable. This is digital weighing machine which is measuring the force exerted on it by dynamo. It is sending the data to the panel through the RS485 cable. User can measure the radius, that is the distance of this point, to the center of dynamo and enter this value in our instrument AMTS-C. Thus, torque will be calculated as a product of radius and force. Output power will be calculated as a product of torque and angular frequency, that is torque into omega. This is variable DC power supply connected to the field winding of dynamo. The armature winding is connected to the load bank. As we will increase this variable DC power supply, the load on the motor will increase. This is three-phase variac for supplying voltage to the motor. Now I am increasing the voltage to this increase button.